Eons of geological precipitation have awakened in the natural pulse. The native calcium from the depths of the earth, after the tempering of time, turns into a mineral language that can be talked by life. Calcium is not only the guardian of bones, but also the energy code of cells. Since French chemist Lavoisier discovered calcium in 1789, human beings have gone through 3 stages of calcium exploration. From calcium carbonate, calcium hydroxide as representatives of the first generation, calcium gluconate, lactating calcium, calcium citrate as representatives of the second generation, to now, calcium aspartate with nano-chelation technology. This calcium exploration spanning over a century opens a new chapter. One nanometer is 1/1000th of a meter. Shanghai JiaXiang Industrial Co., Ltd., after years of traditional calcium technology, adopts high-pressure fluid nano-chelation technology, Chelated Aspartic acid with calcium ions, making each to amino acid molecules like crab claws to trap a calcium ion to form 2 stable 5-membered ring chelate structures, forming a dipeptide protein calcium aspartate in small molecule form. The molecular weight of calcium aspartate is small. It doesn't consume gastric acid and is not dissociated by gastric acid. It can directly enter the small intestine in the form of small molecules. Through the amino acid channel of the small intestinal mucosa, actively absorbed by the villous epithelial cells entering the cell. Under the action of corresponding enzymes, the chelation bond is broken down into calcium ions, and amino ions are transported through the blood to the bones and various organs. Amino acids can be utilized by cells. Mineral calcium and Aspartic acid through chelation reaction generates calcium aspartate. It has the highest absorption rate in the human body, greatly improving the absorption rate of calcium ions. The absorption rate of this calcium aspartate, it is more than 3 times that of traditional calcium. In Shanghai hometown, the clean controlled at 18 to 26 degrees Celsius, with a relative humidity of 45 to 65%, more than 16 air changes per hour, and illumination and other strict requirements in multiple dimensions create a good production environment. Homogenization, boiling, static filtration, spray drying, and other carried out in sealed pipes. In terms of internal production, we install monitoring equipment. We have a 24-hour, quantified, detailed, real-time monitoring throughout the process. We establish a hierarchical supervision model connected to production at and quality level control to ensuring that all production environments meet the general hygienic specifications for food production enterprises. Production raw materials, production environment, production process, and quality control in 5 dimensions. ISO 9001 Quality Management System and ISO 2200 Food Safety Management System have been certified by international standards, Shanghai Institute of Quality Supervision and Inspection other organizations' authoritative testing. All are in Shanghai. A portrayal of the quality of Tianmen calcium. Dongyan calcium aspartate in Tianmen has high solubility, high absorption, mild and non-irritating. It doesn't need vitamin D3 to assist absorption. It can be used in beverages and cooking with low heavy metal content. Currently, Dongyan calcium aspartate has obtained over 10 patents. It has also been approved by China Quality Inspection Industrial News, Consumer Daily, and the Ministry of Science and Technology approved third-party professional scientific and technological achievement evaluation agency. When calcium L-aspartate supports teenagers to leap over the growth arc. When it protects the breathing of middle-aged people at night. When it gives the silver-haired years the confidence to travel. It flows into an invisible river nourishing life. Shanghai home industry has always, with an unchanging original aspiration, and protect our quiet and peaceful years.